Hello everyone. Hello. A pleasant morning to one and all present here and my honorable sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
First of all, I want to say that to my sir, a million thanks to you, sir. I'm very obliged to you, and I want to tell you, whenever I come on the stage, my gratitude no bounds. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. After that, my speech. So as you all know, my name is Sandhya Pal and I have done my schooling and my graduation is running from GDC College, and now I'm here to tell you we all are here again to deliver our speeches, and this is very special day for all of you and me, also me. So today I am here to tell you about the feeling of my Guru, not my Guru, our Guru. The feeling of our Guru. So before this, I want to ask you, how are you guys? That's great. One more thing, could you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, do you like to listen me or do you love to listen me?
We love to listen to you.
Thank you so much, sir, and all of you. So I want to ask you, do you know what does a teacher want to his students? There are many teachers who wants to make good to their students, but I am talking about our Guru, Mr. Bhuvan Singh. You know, he always first thing is that he teaches very unique. His teaching of way is very unique and very awesome. He every days and every weeks, every months, he thinks only about us. He never thinks about himself. And he's not only a teacher, he's a guider person, he's our guiding line, and he's also a father and big brother and also a true friend. We can call him a true friend because he always encourages us, and he always pulling us up to the stage, and he always teaches with heart and soul. He never thinks about himself. Every days he tries to do something special, to do something new only for us. Do you think, doesn't he have family? Doesn't he have friends? Doesn't he have parents? He also have a personal life. He also has a personal life. He also has friends, many friends, and we all know very well he's a gentleman and very good person. So of course he may have many friends and many, we can say, fans, and I'm also a very big fan of my sir, not sir, Guru, and but he always tries many things to for us. But you know guys, even after trying so hard work and thinking about us, many students is here, and I'm not saying here who who has studies in this class and who studies in this class, they criticize of their Guru at others. Do you think is it good? It is very bad. If you are criticize your Guru, it will be destroy you. It can destroy you. You know now. Yes. So don't do that. I want to ask them pupils who does like this. Are you doing this? Are you good to do this? Do you think you will be successful to do this? You will never success, because he is a guider person and he is a guiding line for us. He always teaches with heart and soul, with pure heart and soul. So I'm not saying to everybody, I'm saying to them who does like this. So don't take it hardly, and don't take it hardly. So I'm very I always obliged to him, and he always teaches us one thing, that लाख दलदल सही, पाँव जमाए तो रखिए, हाथ खाली ही सही, ऊपर उठाए तो रखिए। और कौन कहता है छलनी में पानी नहीं रुकता, बर्फ बनने तक हौसला बनाए तो रखिए। are many teachers who take rest on Sunday and Saturday, but he never takes Sunday. He never enjoys Sunday because he know whether we are not doing hard work, but he is doing hard work. Why? Because we are future of this country, and he knows what does he have to do for us. But we don't hard work. I'm also don't hard work. I also don't hard work. I know very well. But whatever I'm doing, whatever I am learning, if it could be possible, only because of sir, only because of our guru, and whatever you are speaking on the stage, it could be only possible. It could be possible only because of our guru. Do you admit this thing?
Yes.
Yes. And I want to tell you, today is Father's Day, and I have tried to write some lines for father. कि हाँ पापा, मैं जानती हूँ कि मैं नासमझ और नादान हूँ, पर मैं ही तो आपका सम्मान हूँ, और मैं जान देने का वादा तो नहीं करती, क्योंकि मुझे जिंदा रहकर जब तक जिंदा रहूंगी आपको सम्मान दूँ. एंड so now I would like to end my topic, and I want to say one thing. Please respect your teachers, admit their things, and if you will admit, you will be successful. If you want to do something, if you want to be weak, and he always thinks his student should not be weak. If you are weak, he will make you strong. Yes or no?
Yes.
So thank you so much, sir, to give me this. You have given me many golden opportunities to stand here, to speaking here, and I want to say again, whatever I'm speaking, it could be possible only because of you, and I will be obliged always you. Thank you so much, guys, for listening.